guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are focusing on skincare, and I've really not been that great with skincare lately, and it's always like a hill and gully ride if you dream it, you know what I mean, for me when it comes to skincare. But I'm determined to try and be as consistent as possible, so that's why I'm going to be trying out the Ordinary Peeling Solution. So this is what the product looked like. I'll show you here. Most of you will probably be already aware about the Ordinary product. I've had this on my shelf for months now. I haven't used it. So this is a 10-minute exfoliating facial. So the idea is for you to apply it twice a week. You build up to twice a week or start off twice a week, but no more than that. And then after you finish, it helps with hyperpigmentation, any scarring, and it just exfoliates, so your skin should look more radiant and glowy. Well, we'll see anyways. So I know this is like real popular and is really affordable and really effective, so I'm yet to try it, and I just want to come on camera and do my little experimentation and see how it goes. So we're gonna take you along on this journey for 2 weeks and see the before and after. So I'll come closer so you can see my before pictures or before video. So this is what my skin looks like now. Let me come closer. Okay, so my face is all clean, and this is what the little applicator thing comes in. So I'm just going to apply it all over my face. I definitely need a mirror, so I'm going to apply it quickly and come back because I don't have a mirror. Oh, it's a bit tingly. It is a bit tingly. Alright, so let me apply it with a mirror properly and come back. Hey guys, so this is day 2 after using the exfoliation peel. So this is what my skin is looking like right now. I have some breakouts because, well, time of the month in it, so. Okay, so I've rinsed off my face and I've applied my moisturizer and my SPF, and this is what my skin is looking like. It just feels very moisturized, to be honest. So I'm gonna pop back on in a couple of days just to show you how my skin is progressing. Okay, so my skin is feeling nice and very moisturized as usual. Just rinsed it off my face, and I'm gonna take some pictures as well just so I can have some side-by-side comparisons. So I'll see you guys in a couple of days time. Guys, so it is day 11, I think, pretty much almost 2 weeks now. So my skin is feeling very moisturized as usual. Just washed it off, applied my vitamin C, my sunscreen and all that jazz. So let me turn around and give you guys a good look what my face is looking like. So alright guys, so I just wanted to give my final thoughts on this. You will have seen now my skin. Now the difference in my skin here is I've noticed my skin is a lot more even and it's a lot brighter. Now in terms of like acne scarring, I still have spots and bumps and stuff, and I think that's more, I don't know, I feel like it's internal. So I'm just looking at the pictures, I'm looking at the before and after, and I have to admit I was sort of expecting like a I was expecting to be a better result, but it just looks standard, to be honest. So I haven't seen any dramatic changes in terms of my skin. I have been using this twice a week. Oh crap, it's leaking. That's a good thing I noticed, because it's gonna stain my white sheets. I have been using this now twice a week, and it does say you can minimum twice, the maximum twice a week, and my skin is not very sensitive. I just have acne prone skin and blemishes, so I figured twice a week is fine for me. But if you do have sensitive skin, then you might want to reconsider this product, or just keep it on just once a week. Now, I started off using this for 10 minutes, but I feel like I was feeling a little bit tingly here and there, so I've sort of reduced it to maybe 8-9 minutes. I feel like that extra minute just makes a big difference, so I don't go over that. It does say though that to don't go over any more than 10 minutes maximum, because it can obviously burn your face, and you know, it is a lot of like acid and a lot of chemicals in this. It is a peeling solution after all, so I've definitely been following the instructions. I've also made sure that I've been using an SPF, so I've been using the Skin SPF 30, and I recently just purchased the SPF 50 from La Roche-Posay. You would have seen it in my skincare haul, and it does suggest to use this at night, but I've been using this during the day because I'm in the house, I'm not going anywhere, so you know, it's fine. But yeah, honestly, I would definitely recommend trying this because it's very, very affordable, it's very cheap, and you can see all the reviews. I'm not a skincare expert yet, so I'm very passionate about skincare, and it's just me trying to venture in, see what works and what doesn't work, and this product is definitely highly recommended. I actually wished I started using this earlier, because I've had this forever now, and I'm just using it now. But so far, I like the results. My skin is definitely brighter. You can instantly see a result, and I'm hoping that maybe 4 weeks or even 6 weeks I'll see like a proper change, because I think my skin is still adjusting, hence why for me my results are not like dramatic. Like, I don't have super clear skin. You can I still have this what you call it, bumps and stuff like that, but we'll see. So if you do want to see what my results are in maybe like 4 weeks or 6 weeks, then I will definitely have a blog post on that. I do have a blog, guys, so do read my blog. I do have some content on there, so I'll leave the link below. You will see actual detailed pictures, especially if you want to see the pictures side by side. Go ahead and check out my blog, queenteshna.com, and I'll have a link below. And I'll also be doing a skincare routine in the next maybe a month or so, after my body's kind of got used to all the skincare products that I bought. So stay tuned for that if you're curious as to see how my journey is coming along. But honestly, this is my review. This is my real life trial of this peeling solution. If you've tried this product before, let me know. And if you're using the ordinary products, which ones are your favorite? Because there's a few at the moment. So I would love to know what you guys are using, how you found it, your results. Is it worth getting, or you're not a big fan? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching as usual. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!